No.
Hi.
Right.
Hi.
Is she silly, sister? Is she silly, sister? Is she your silly sister? Oh, excuse you. Excuse you. Brooke, that's mean. Give it to him.
He doesn't want it.
You didn't even give it to him.
He's pushing it away.
Kai.
See you again.
Brooke, stop wasting it. Kai.
Hi.
What's up?
Oh.
He wants to do it. He's your silly sister. Oh, excuse you.
No.
Oh,
No.
hi, Brooke.
Fresh pasta. Yum.
Fresh pepper.
Pasta.
Faster. Kai, she wants to eat faster. Brooke, don't.
Pasta. I like to eat pasta.
It's your silly sister. Ooh. Here he goes. He's getting cranky. Who's getting cranky? Enough. Oh. Hey. 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 Oh, he's getting cranky. Knock it off, Brooke. Oh. Okay, bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, I say
Bye.
bye-bye.
Always eat pasta. Yum.
Goofball. This is what we eat at the Freeman household. Pasta.
Pasta. Yum.
Bye, Kai. Bye. Bye.
Bye.